Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact items the provider will ask for, your account email, any order ID or receipt, and the promo name or code text. Once done, sign into the provider's website in a desktop browser. Avoid mobile app steps. Make sure to use the account tied to the purchase, and keep the purchase timestamp at hand. Support teams often verify date and order details. This moves you quickly into the request phase without back-and-forth delays. You now send a precise request through the web support form. Explain that the redeem code didn't arrive and include the order ID and email. Attach a screenshot or PDF of the receipt to speed verification. Once done, choose the correct category, missing code, or digital delivery, so your message routes to the right team. Make sure to note the device and store used. That context prevents common misunderstandings and reduces escalation time, increasing the chance you get a code quickly. You should receive the code via email or support reply. Copy it exactly and paste into the site's redemption field, then confirm. If it fails, clear your browser cache, try an incognito window, or use a different browser. Make sure the code hasn't expired. Once done, if problems persist, respond to the support ticket with the ticket ID and a screenshot of the error message. This forces rechecking on their side and accelerates a manual reissue or store credit as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.